Duduzile Zuma Sambudla has resigned as a Member of Parliament and from the Umkhonto we Sizwe Party, MKP, following serious allegations that she was involved in recruiting South African men to fight in the Russia-Ukraine war. In this video, you'll get the official announcement of her resignation, what the allegations say, and how MKP is responding. Why this is a major blow to MKP and what it could mean for South African politics.
Matter as a political matter. Comrade Dudu was never forced to resign. She volunteered to resign because she wanted to focus in helping families return their loved ones. Now, it ends there. There is really nothing. She submitted a resignation today because she could not submit a resignation without taking the leadership into confidence and getting permission to do that. So as far as we know, the resignation's got nothing to do with admission of guilty or the organization finding her guilty. It's her as a disciplined member of MK and the leader realizing that there is this question that the country needs to resolve of returning those young people safely at home, and she has requested that she be recused from responsibilities and focus in cooperating fully with all organs of the state who want to find the truth and return those South Africans safe.